Every month or so, we like to do a segment called Grandma's Best Recipes, where we highlight some of the most seasoned cooks in the country. And joining us today is Grandma Lois, who's a mother of 4, has 5 grandchildren, and has a real passion for line dancing. Welcome, Lois. What was dinner time like at your house?
Well, having 4 very active kids and my mom and my sister living with my husband and I, when it came to dinner, everything needed to be easy. And if it could be made in one pot, like my pot roast, all the better. To make it, all I do is brown a chuck roast in a heavy pot with an onion before simmering it with some beef broth, water, and garlic for about an hour. Then we'll add some potatoes and carrots and cook these until everything is tender.
And I love how you told me that you thickened it up with a mixture of flour and water, shaken in a bottle, and then you would just pour it in. Let me tell you, one taste of Lois's pot roast, and there's no wonder she never had trouble getting her kids to the table. If you'd like the recipe for Grandma Lois's pot roast, all you have to do is go online. It's really good. Lois, thanks for taking some time away from your line dancing to join us today.
Oh, I've enjoyed every minute of it.
It's been fun, hasn't it?
It has.
Because when a recipe is this good and Grandma approved, you can bet that everybody will be saying, ooh, it's so good. Ready for a taste? Here you go. Try a piece. Delicious.